Good morning, God. Good morning. Actually, let's do this first. Good morning, guys. All right, as you see, we're back in the kitchen slash office. Daddy had to take over in the morning, get these girls situated. No red folder news. Got this thing all day, so we should have some good volume, maybe some mediocre volume. I don't know. Let's see it here. It's all because we got CPI tomorrow. All right. Could be making this fair value gap right here this weekly on that way up. Daily already hit that fair value gap, came back down. Now can be looking for it to be going on the way up. Remember, still bullish, higher time frame structure and levels. Bullish fair value gap. Higher time frame right here for 4 hours. Structure, no displacement to the downside, so we're bullish. We got this fair value gap. Let me delete this. Let me delete all this ugliness right up here. Delete all that ugliness right there. What a 15 minute. Um, delete that. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right, so 4 hour we have bullish structure, but we have this level right here. That is a 4 hour fair value gap that we can look to trade to the downside from. It's not going through it, not displacing through it. You will hear, since that is that on duty, you will hear crying. I apologize in advance for that. Same thing on the 1 hour. We have bullish price action. I'm going to call it bullish on the structure because there is no, I don't really call this like, there is technically some swing lows here, but I just say the 1 hour is in a deep retracement. However, we got a fair value gap here as well that we can trade off of. The 15 minutes probably most likely going to be bearish. 15 minute is bearish. We are in those fair value gaps. Price is reacting nicely off of those. Let's look at, yeah. All right. Yeah, this is going to be one of those times where I'm going to be patient today. I'm going to be patient today because we're in between two fair value gaps. We're bullish, but shorts are looking more attractive. So trading, how would you say it? Trading against the trend, counter trend is looking good today. 15 minute. We got a fair value gap right in here. I'm gonna mark that out as well. If I end up finding any shorts, that will be the target with these equal lows right here. 5 minute. Could be for making up some kind of silver bullet. Let's look at the new week, new day opening gap. I'll keep it right there. I should maybe extend it a little bit more because I'll do that and disappear. It's a huge divergence. There's the SMT divergence right there. Another form of divergence down here. No, never mind. Nah, never mind. Yeah, so shorts are looking pretty good right now. I just want to confirm that it's bearish just by more order flow. And yeah, it says melt into the downside. Yeah, baby. Oh, you want to know? That's a 5 minute fair value gap. These are also the equal lows are also London lows. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. You want me to get that for you? Yeah, you want me to get that for you, baby? Okay, baby. Okay. Be right back. There's a silver bullet setup right here. Very obvious. If it inverts it, I'll go long. This is where we're at with the account right here. Where is it, my baby? Go get it, sweetie. Marv's is gonna get it. Okay. Gotta go text the client. Click along right there. I know we're in a 15-minute fair value gap as well, but if all the structure is bullish, then that 15-minute fair value gap shouldn't mean anything in higher time frames. Looking for these fair value gaps to be inverted. That top of the range to be taken, and we'll play it that way. And all we can do right now is just see. So I'm gonna set up the camera and just let it ride, baby, let it ride. Come back a little bit. Don't know for how long. Once price gets to a one-to-one, for all those who watch me, we know what we got going. Boom. Give me a nice little target. Took those highs. Honestly, I'm gonna trail aggressively. Could have just took those highs right there. I don't want price to reverse on me and then start melting, inverting those fair value gaps and then going bearish completely. So let's just hope that let's just see if price displaces through those highs and gives us our good movement to the upside. If it takes us out, then we'll just continue to watch price and probably won't enter it again since I'm going to be already so far away from that stretch. And actually, I'm good this, but I'm not going to be greedy today. I'm putting my sell stop right here. Once that thing blasts through it, I'm modifying the order because we're up for the week already. What's the matter, baby? You hungry? Okay, give me like 5 minutes, maybe. I'm gonna start cooking breakfast for you. Okay, maybe I was still a different form of greedy. Could have had my money. I wanted to play around again. Maybe I should go for a fixed RR. Hopefully it hits that fair value gap and continues to go up. Anyway, nasty, but what's the matter, baby? You hungry? I know, give me like 5 minutes, baby. Daddy's almost done, okay, baby? I can't hear you movie that you have to go. Oh, okay. That's another break even. Made $21. Let's go, baby. So I went break even because it took that high. And I don't want it to take that high and start melting. So we're at a break even trade again. We're aiming for a 1.03. Learned my lesson last break even trade. Just gonna let the trade run to the 1-to-1, secure the money if it gets there, and we can call it a day. Look at this trade. This trade is super easy. It's get me right here. Let's see if it hits that fair value gap and continues to push up. Look at that. Use it. Use it. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. You know you want it. You know you want it. Don't go down. Don't go down. Come on. Ain't nowhere but up, baby. Ain't nowhere but up. Just keep pushing up. No, no. I gotta go, tend to my crying baby. I want you to go check Vay. I want you to go check Vay, silly butt. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Maybe one day I'll be, as good enough as other people to trade the daily range. I do like with personal funds though. Right now I'm using a prop firm and they have certain rules where you can't make a certain amount in one day according to your average or something like that. So just trying to keep my wins very consistent. So there's no, you know, it doesn't range from big to small, messing with my payout eligibility. And do that with personal funds. But the TV just trying to fix the TV. Another break even trade. Could have had me a dub today, but your boy was. All right, I got one more trade on my books. Got one more trade, and I'm gonna take that trade on the micros. And I'm gonna wait because this is the 15 minute fair value got full fill. And I'm gonna wait till it inverts it before I take a long. So I'm not gonna do nothing. And we have a lot of time for it to go bearish. 15 minute is bullish. Let's find another place to retreat. Retrace to. I'm gonna watch it here, but I'll take the trade in here. Let's see if there was another like bigger fair value gap. Look at this fair value gap right in here. Hmm. So that was another divergence. If price inverts that fair value gap, I'll take it. Be nice. Yeah. So it looks like it's gonna, yeah, my baby, after breakfast, okay? Daddy's gonna start cooking. Yeah, I'm only looking for buys today right now, so everything is bullish to me. I'm not gonna look for shorts. I feel like we moved a little, we moved way too much for me to switch my bias now. So I'm just gonna stay on the buy side. Let's see if there's any points where I will change my mind. Yeah, once it inverts this fair value gap, then I can start opening up my mind and watching price action. But we could watch price right here. But if it inverts this fair value gap, I'm in long. Yeah, cool. Like I said, we'll just watch price until it inverts that fair value gap up there. And let me see what view you got over here. Move this up a little bit. Boom. And yeah, I'm gonna start making breakfast for my daughter. So enjoy the view. I don't know. Yeah. All right, let's see if there's any divergences. See if there's anything important to look at. All right, we see price came in. These fair value gaps. Using these fair value gaps. Yeah. Fair value gap. Nice and low. Nice low. You need help, baby? Okay, baby. All right, that's a nice lower fair value gap on the 5 minute. So it just gives me something closer to look at. Yeah, hungry. Look at my baby. Hmm. You want to take a a second to talk about this, guys. Look, remember earlier last week when we were making our all-time highs, and I was telling you about previous highs and everything like that, previous lows, just to try to treat them like key levels. Look at this previous low and how price is just treating it like a key level. How is this reacting off of it? Now, if it totally respects it and goes to the downside, that's another thing. But just look how price is reacting at that level. So that next thing you guys should know is when you're at all-time lows or all-time highs, whatever it may be, if you're retracing, if you're trying to catch a retracement into a continuation, you can mark the previous lows and the previous highs and everything like that as levels itself to look for reactions from. Just a quick tip. Breakfast is coming, right? You got that. You got that right. Can you go with that, baby? Like new trade for me, guys. So we're looking at what we're wait to see. You know, let's see how it reacts to this area. You know, you got some water blocks over here. We'll see. Look at that big wick right there into those fair value gaps, rejecting it. projecting the fair value gap. Fair value gap is relative break even. Monday, maybe. All right. Aiming for a 1-to-1. All right, go to the hatchet, baby. I'm gonna put you in, okay? No, okay. Go to the hatchet, baby. Let's put your stuff there. Yep. Yes, ma'am. Rally, rally. The bottom. No, let's look at how much. Hold on, my baby. There's the bug. Awesome. All right. Give me a second, baby. I'm gonna put you in the hatchet. Go look for the bug and let me know where it's at, okay? No? Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. All right, guys. That was a great trade. We up 530, 37. Boom. Look at that. We up good. We up good this week. So if we do a quick, this is where we at with the account. Almost 2%. And let's see. Let's do a trade recap real quick, right? So again, come on. It's gonna be like yesterday. Everything was bullish. Dailies bullish. 4 hours bullish. 1 hour is bullish. Well, bearish could be arguably bearish as well. And 15-minute bullish, but flipping bearish. So why did I take a short? I took a short because early this morning, when we got on the charts, we saw some bullish price action, right? Everything is bullish on the on the higher time frames, the 4 hour and the daily. So I wanted to look for longs. So once I saw it inverting the fair value gap, inverting this fair value gap, then I went long. Got taken out break even. That's fine. Went again long here around this area. Came up, got taken out break even again. That's fine. Then I waited and I was like, I'm gonna see what the market wants to do because there's not a lot of like displacement passing these highs, right? It goes, retraces, and then it melted. Right now it's melting to, forgot what is this? I don't know, maybe it's on its way to the London lows. I don't know. So once it inverted, that's fair value gap. I don't even know what this is. I'm delete it. So it came down, market structure shift. Now it took this 5 minute fair value gap, right? I was gonna wait for the push up to invert this fair value gap right here, but that never happened. It inverted the fair value gap and then used it for momentum to go on the downside. Then I saw this 15 M15 order block. Then I saw I was gonna wait right there. I said maybe that's where it wants to. Maybe it wants to manipulate this fair value gap, take people out of their trade, and then use the M15 to continue the push up. Obviously, we see that's not the case either. So nice trade, nice trade. So once I saw it inverted, once I saw that it didn't use the M15, and once I saw it inverted the M15 order block as well, I just waited for it to retest over here on that bullish candle, and then it dropped again, and then I'm like, okay, that's all I need. That's all I need to see for me to go short, get me my quick one-to-one, and then that's it. We out. Easy trade. Remember, all the PD arrays that you can use can also be used inverted as well. It's not just for continuations. It can be used for reversals as well. So just keep that in mind when trading. And thank you for watching. It was a longer stream than usual. Nothing usual. An hour and 10, nothing crazy, but we in here love to do this. Can't wait to see y'all again. Tomorrow CPI, so just stay vigilant.